Introducing the eCloth Bathroom Pack, which includes 1 extra thick and absorbent bathroom cloth and 1 glass and polishing cloth. This pack has all you need for a sparkling clean bathroom. So, how does it work? The extra thick bathroom cloth's fibres are highly absorbent and give it exceptional cleaning power. Just wet under a tap, squeeze out excess water, fold, and effortlessly remove dirt, greasy grime and soap scum from baths, basins, tiles, taps and glass. And like other eCloths, it also removes over 99% of bacteria. Then, for the perfect finish, wipe the damp surface with a dry glass and polishing cloth. Brilliant on chrome, glass and mirrors, leaving them gleaming and smear-free. And remember, all eCloths are guaranteed for 300 machine washes, so you can use them time and time again. And find out why eCloths are the revolutionary way to clean.